सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Revinfra Projects Limited wins new orders worth Rs.28.77 crores. Subject: Update regarding Advance Work Order (AWO) released by BharatNet Project to ITI Limited in partnership with Tera Software Limited for Middle Mile Network in Himachal Pradesh, West Bengal, and Andaman and Nicobar. Revised amount from 5,049 crore to 5,104 crore. Trishakti Industries Limited has secured a significant contract from NCC Limited for the deployment of advanced earth-moving heavy equipment worth 60 million Indian rupees in support of their Adani Power project. This award strengthens Trishakti Industries Limited's position in the infrastructure sector and is anticipated to have a positive impact on the company's financial performance in the forthcoming quarters. Company name: Dynasty Modular Furnitures Private Limited. Entity who issued the order: Adani Group. Order amount: 1 rupee and 55 paise crore, including GST. Time period to complete the order: 6 months. Gabaria Polywood Limited has received a work order from DLF Group for supply and installation of Oppo/aluminium windows and doors for a total value of 14 yen and 9 cent crore, including GST. The project is scheduled to be completed by 12 months, in various tranches as per the terms of the order. Company name: Railtel Corporation of India Limited. Entity who issued the order: Lidox Construction Ajmer Division, North Western Railway. Order amount: 46 crore 79,16,427 rupees. Time period to complete the order: the 20th of July 2026. Bansal Roofing Products Limited has signed a contract with RBM Infracon Limited on January 21, 2025 for design, supply and erection of pre-engineered steel building at an overall cost of 1,425 rupees lakhs including PNF, transportation and transit insurance plus GST extra as per government norms. VR Goel Infrastructure Limited has received a work order from the National Highways Authority of India (NHAI) for the engagement of a user fee collection agency at the Paraghat Toll Plaza in Chhattisgarh. The order is valued at 30 crore 53 lakh 34,545 rupees and has a term of 1 year, commencing on the 23rd of January 2025. Bondara Engineering Limited has received a work order from M/S. KPI Green Energy Limited amounting to Rs 88,49,76,223/ to be completed within 90 days. Company name: Dev Information Technology Limited. Order issuing entity: Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation. Order value: 1 Indian rupee and 23 paise crore. Completion time: 3 years, 24th of January 2025 to 23rd of January 2028. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।